हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल बीइंग द बेस्ट टीचर। डिस्कस करेंगे गाइडेंस एंड काउंसलिंग का पेपर ऑफ द ईयर 2021 ऑफ राजीव गांधी यूनिवर्सिटी। इससे पहले हम राजीव गांधी यूनिवर्सिटी के कई और भी जो क्वेश्चन पेपर्स हैं वो डिस्कस कर चुके हैं ऑफ द ईयर जनवरी फरवरी 2021। तो यहाँ पे आपको कोई भी 5 क्वेश्चंस अटेंड करने हैं। एनी 5 क्वेश्चंस यू नीड टू अटेंड. So let's see which questions are there in the section A. Question 1 is, what are the principles of guidance? So you have to write the principles of guidance. You will make a flow chart. Before that, you will in one line you will like write point to point description of guidance. Then the particular heading will be principles of guidance. You will make a flow chart, and then further you will be writing 6 to 8 principles. Second question is, what is eclectic counseling? What do you understand by eclectic counseling? That you have to describe. Then define counseling. What do you understand by the term counseling? That you have to write basically the concept. Question 4. What do you understand by career talk? So what do you understand by career talk? What does it mean, this term? That you have to write. Question 5. What do you mean by pupil information and guidance? In guidance, when we talk about pupil information, so what does exactly it means? Question number 6. State any 4 characteristics of gifted children. First of all, you will write what gifted children are. In 2-3 lines, you will describe about gifted children. Then you will write the characteristics. First of all, you will make a flowchart, and then further you will describe particularly every characteristic. Coming to section B, in section B, there are like 5 options you have, and you have to attend only 3 questions. Section 1 is of your particularly, you have to attend like 5 questions, and particular question is of 4 marks. And in section B, if we will talk, you have to attend 3 questions, and every question is of 9 marks. So question number 7 is here. Explain the different types of counseling with examples. First of all, you will describe what is counseling. Then you will come to the types of counseling. Definitely the flowchart. Then particularly describing each type of counseling. Question number 8, discuss the meaning and need of counseling in school. What do you understand like by counseling? You can describe that in 1 or 2 lines. Then further, you will be writing the particular meaning, not only in 1 or 2 lines, sorry. You will be describing it properly here, like half of the page or 1 page, and then you will be describing about the need of counseling properly. Each and every need you have to describe. So maximum include 8 needs, minimum include 6 needs. Draw the flow chart and then describe each of the need properly. Coming to question number 9, discuss the importance of testing technique in guidance program. So, what is testing technique? That you will describe, then you will come to the importance. Question number 10, what are the guidance programs that can be conducted in a school? So, all the guidance programs that can be conducted in a school that you will mention. Explain one of them in detail. Pick any one of the guidance program that can be conducted in school and describe that particular one in brief. Question number 11, who are creative students? So basically you have to like write about the concept of creative students, who basically they are. How will you guide the creative students in school, and how you are going to guide particularly the creatives in your school when you are going to tackle with the creative students, that you have to discuss. Coming to section C, any 2 questions you have to attend out of these 5 questions, and each question is of 14 marks. So, question number 12, how to give guidance to the underachievers in school. We all know that there are some students who are underachievers in a class, in a school. So, how you are going to guide them as a teacher, that you have to explain with examples, with suitable examples, right? Coming to question number 13, the need of guidance in counseling in more crucial in the present situation. Critically analyze the statement. The need of guidance and counseling more crucial in this present situation. Present situation means 2021 का question paper है, so you will be in we know in the COVID scenario, everyone is depressed, everyone is locked in houses, everyone is scared of getting this this major disease that कि हमें ना हो जाए. So what type of guidance you will be giving to the kids, especially small kids and also the adolescents ones? How do they used to feel in without school, not going to the school, locked in particular their homes? So realizing this, you have to attain this answer. This is the most important answer, I'll say. Very good answer, very good question, I'll say, that has been selected by your university for the examination. So I want to highlight this. Coming to question number 14, what is the importance of evaluation of guidance program in school? Discuss with the process of evaluation in detail. Question number 15, what are the roles of teachers and parents towards students' career plan? And explain with suitable examples. Then question number 16, discuss in detail the role of career master in a higher secondary school. So this is your question paper of guidance and counseling. Very easy, and you basically needs to study to attend these kinds of papers. So good selection of questions from the university. So this was the question paper of January February 2021 examinations. Thank you.